Want to get discount on Amazon Prime? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily get the student discount on Amazon Prime. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. In the Safari, you need to search for Amazon Prime Student. You need to head over to this site, Amazon Prime Student. It will land you on this official page. Once you're in this page, you will be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. At the very top, you can see it says, Join Prime for 18 to 24 years old, and all the Prime perks half the price. All you gotta do is click on it. After that, you will need to enter a login credential of your Amazon and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, now whenever you purchase something on here, you will be able to get certain amount of discount, and then you will be good to go. So this is simply how you can get student discount on Amazon Prime. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.